we just broke down our script using Final Draft Tagger, and by tagging we simply mean breaking down the elements of a script like you would do with markers. We're going to do the same thing now in Movie Magic Screenwriter. Let me show you. So let me quit out of Final Draft Tagger and show you how tagging is done in Movie Magic Screenwriter. And so here we are. This is Screenwriter. It looks very similar, of course, to Final Draft because scripts look the same. We have all the same elements we saw before. Here's the title, Friends with Benefits. Here's fade in, scene 1, exterior, teeny Biggs bar in Seattle night. Of course it's raining outside. It's Seattle. Again, stepping back, the page looks like a script page. You should be familiar with this. To do your tagging in Screenwriter, you need to go up to Production up at the top of the page, pull the File menu down, and go to Breakdowns. And it gives you this choice, Tagging Mode. That's what you want. And let's go ahead and tag an item, and I'll show you how it also operates differently in tagging itself. We're going to tag raining outside, remember? So drag and hold across it, and it pulls up this screen of breakdown tags. You scroll down, raining outside, we've decided, is a note. So here we go, notes. Now look what it does. It doesn't color code it. It actually gives it this notation of NT, and that stands for notes. Let's go to the next item, Cab Splash By. Click and hold. Again, the screen comes up. Here it is. Let's go ahead and pick a vehicle. There you go. It creates a note of VH for vehicles in cabs or vehicles. Taxi ad. Let's call that set dressing or a prop. Let's go ahead and call it a prop for fun. PR. So again, in Screenwriter, you're not color coding, but you still are tagging. And when you export these items into EP scheduling, the NT, the VH, and the PR will automatically slot into the correct categories in the program. So now that you know how to tag in Screenwriter, the last thing to know is how do you export? Well, once again, go up to the Production pull-down menu, go to Breakdowns, where you got into tagging mode, and scroll down a little bit. They have an item here that says Movie Magic Scheduling Export. And it's called Movie Magic because EP scheduling used to be called Movie Magic. Go ahead and click that. Pulls up this screen. It's called Production, Breakdown, Scenes. It just means what scenes are going to be included in the export. You can also add the name of the production company here. Click OK and save it. Later on, I'll show you how to import that into EP scheduling. So let's move on.